Snoooz also offers analytics for your mailboxes, so you can clearly see what the AI is doing behind the scenes. On higher tier plans, you'll have access to the analytics dashboard, where you can track how Snoooz is performing over time. From the dashboard, you can see total number of emails processed, which rules were matched, how many replies and drafts were generated, estimated time saved by using Snoooz. This data helps you understand how automation is improving your workflow and where it's creating the most value. You can also open individual logs to see detailed information for each email that was processed. For example, you can see which rule was triggered, which category was matched, if you're using categories, the matching reason, so you know why Snoooz classified the email a certain way. This is especially useful when you want to improve your category prompts or fine-tune your rules to get more accurate results. The logs section is also very helpful for troubleshooting, so you always know what happened with a specific email. If you don't see any data in the logs, it simply means Snoooz is not monitoring your emails. You need to first enable Snoooz. You can search the dashboard for a specific email using the search bar at the top, or filter results by selecting a different time period. For now, this is what's available in analytics. Going forward, the goal for Snoooz is to provide deeper mailbox-level insights and more advanced analytics, and you'll see new features added here over the coming months.